Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, safe and healthy at home. Today in this video we will learn how to make strawberry and banana smoothie. It's very easy, quick and healthy recipe and I hope you like it. If you like my recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. So let's go and get started. For strawberry banana smoothie, I have taken 2 cups of strawberries, 2 large bananas, 1 teaspoon honey, half cup of yogurt, half cup of milk and 8 to 7 ice cubes.